Hey guys, welcome back to Tactical Pontoon, and I want to talk about a couple new things on the website. One of them, a striker. Now this is something you guys have been asking for a long time. James, why do you not have a striker on the website? Why don't you have a Tactical Pontoon Striker? Well, I have on occasion offered factory strikers that I clean up and tune, and it's actually something that will be added to the website again full time. But I also finally spec'd out my own aftermarket striker. This is stainless steel, it's titanium nitride coated, so it's gold. We all love the gold parts. However, there's a reason for titanium nitride. Now, titanium nitride is an industrial coating. It does have slight anti-friction characteristics, but that's not the real reason. Titanium nitride has the capability, or its claim to fame is a harder surface for the material. It's a striker, it's got stuff that move against it, so titanium nitride was just a no-brainer. And again, it's high performance gold. Now, the claim to fame for the Tactical Pontoon Striker, for me anyways, and the reason why it took a while for me to finally do this, was tolerances. I love the factory strikers. And a lot of your aftermarket strikers have a shorter striker lug. Now, if you're building a race gun, you're going to be tuning that stuff all to perfection, and you're going to be checking that. However, for a lot of us, just being able to take the factory striker out and replace it with the upgraded Tactical Pontoon Striker and not have to worry about it. Now, that doesn't mean you shouldn't use a Glock Armorer's plate, and I do have them on the website. They're made of aluminum. They've got the Tactical Pontoon logo. Everybody who owns a Glock and does any sort of tinkering whatsoever should have one. So add that to your next order. You should check whenever you install a any part of the firing system, the trigger, striker, any of that sort of thing. You need to have a Glock Armorer's plate on there just to verify all of your tolerances. But when I spec'd out this striker, I wanted something that had the same sizes as the factory, and that's what the Tactical Pontoon Striker has. It's factory. You should be able to drop this thing in and rock and roll without a lot of adjustment. So, it's stainless steel, it's stronger than factory, it's gold, so that obviously makes it better than factory, and it's just a hair lighter, which is also an upgrade. The working surface of that lug is clean. It's going to provide a much crisper, cleaner break. So, that's the Tactical Pontoon stainless steel titanium nitride striker. It's worthy. Grab one. Grab yourself an armorer's plate. Now, along with that goes the Excommunicado Complete Trigger Kit. Now, it includes the Excommunicado trigger system and one of my titanium strikers, or titanium nitride stainless steel strikers, as well as a stainless steel, also titanium nitride safety plunger, along with all the springs that are required for that to run extremely well. So that's an upgraded kit. You'll find that on the website as well. The striker, I'm really excited about. All of my Glocks will be running it. It's something that I truly believe in. So check it out on the website. Grab yourself an armorer's kit. Grab yourself the entire Excommunicado trigger system. I know you've got a Glock that needs it. You might as well get the entire kit right there. You're going to save money by grabbing the striker and the safety plunger in the Excommunicado kit all in one. Right now it's all Generation 3. I've not found a Generation 5 striker yet that I'm really going to put my name onto yet. It's something we're working on. Same with the Glock 43 and 48, 43X, and that sort of thing. Those are coming, but right now, Gen 3, P80, Generation 4. Those are ready. They're on the website. Have at it. So for now, that's it on Tactical Pontoon. If you've got any questions, if you've got anything you want to see, you want to know about, you can always leave it in the comments down below. Send me an email from the website, and that's it. That's it for tonight. The Striker, titanium nitride stainless steel striker from Tactical Pontoon. You guys have been asking for it for a while. I brought the people what they wanted. So, we'll catch you next time on Tactical Pontoon.